Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to change your age on TikTok for Android. If you entered the wrong birthday when creating your account or just need to update it, this tutorial will help. Let's get started. All right, first thing, you won't find a birthday option in TikTok settings because they don't allow direct changes. So we need to contact TikTok support to do this. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy. Okay, scroll all the way down until you see Help Center or Support. Tap on that. Here's the thing. Scroll to the very bottom and tap Need More Help or Contact Us or Chat with Us. This opens a feedback form where you can write to TikTok support. Here's what you need to write. Hello, I need to change my birthday on my TikTok account because the current one is incorrect. I can provide my ID card if necessary for verification. Please help me update this information. Type something similar to that and then tap Submit or Send. Don't upload your ID right now, only if they specifically ask for it. TikTok support will contact you right away and help you update your age. You'll see an Edit Date of Birth option. Tap on it. Just select your new and real birth date. And finally, tap Confirm. And that's it. That's how you change your age on TikTok. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.